At EAG-LED Lights, we care about every customer as well as our brand. So, we provide what's best for your business, not just what's on the shelf. We maintain positive control over every aspect of every order, which includes much more than just the highest quality raw materials. It also allows uncompromising production standards and rigid quality control testing and certification. We control all product logistics, including packing and global shipping. We maintain 5 sales, customer service, and distribution centers worldwide. 1 million square feet, over 800 LED fixtures available, and more than 100 years of combined LED experience. When it comes to your lighting needs, the only logical choice is EAG-LED.